Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is the first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be giving you guys a recipe on how to make a whitening base cream. I know I have promised to give you guys the recipe for a long time, and some of you have been reminding me in the comment section. It's not like I forgot though, I did not. I wanted to do a practical video on that, but as it is now, it's like it's taking too long, and then I still have a lot of base cream at home at the moment, so there is no way me making a base cream that I wouldn't be needing at this point. So I decided to give you guys the recipe. Please pardon me, I know I'm not the kind of person that like to fail when I promise somebody, so that's why I'm trying to like fulfill my promise at this point. So before we start, please quickly pardon me. I just want to take 2 minutes of your time. Okay, so I want to announce my upcoming skincare training that is coming up in the next 1 week, I think. So we are having an upgrade training. We did one around September and it was really great, and I have some few people who contacted me after we finished the training, so I decided to do one before the year runs out. And I want to quickly let you guys know this particular training is not for beginner. It's not a beginner's class. It's not for those that don't have any idea about making skincare products or that don't have any idea about formulating base cream. This particular training is for an upgrade, as I have said previously. So it's just for those that want to upgrade their skincare formula, those that want to make a very effective skincare product. For example, you formulate your own skincare product and it's not effective, probably it's not working on your skin, you are not getting good reviews. I know of a lot of people that formulate skincare products and yet they don't use their skincare products on their skin. And then I'm like, why then do you have to sell what you don't use on your skin? Probably you know that it's not right, it's not good, it's not working, it's not effective, and you decide to sell it out for people. Of course, I know how it is when you end up spending money on skincare product or formulating. At the end of the day, it's not giving you the result that you expect. So if you are one of those people that formulate skincare products and yet your recipe is not effective, please, I want to applaud you to take part in this skincare training. It's something that you will love and it's something that you will benefit from, okay? And it's not some kind of training that you will learn and then you won't gain anything. You will definitely gain a lot from this particular training. You all know that I'm a very simple person. I don't have issue. Like, as you can see, this is just the way I am. So this life is too short to be too hard on people. So please, if you're interested, just give me a call, or probably you send me a DM on WhatsApp. I'll be leaving my number on the screen. And quickly, I want to tell you guys the things that you'll be learning in this skincare training, so that you won't DM me and then you start asking me about the recipe. So the first thing you're going to be learning is how to make whitening base cream. In order for you to formulate a very effective body lotion, you have to know how to formulate your base cream. So you'll be learning how to formulate an effective whitening base cream, and then you'll be learning how to make a whitening glow body lotion, whitening face cream, whitening glow scrub, extra whitening glow body oil, and then you'll be learning how to make mulatto soap. This particular mulatto soap is not your regular mulatto soap. It's not the kind of soap that you would do that will darken after some few days. It's not the kind of soap that you would do at the end of the day to not be effective, to not lather. So this particular one is an upgrade class. So just bear it in mind that any recipe that you'll be getting from me in this particular class are not just a basic formula. So these are formula that I created myself. I make them and I use them, and they are all superb, okay? And then you will be learning how to make repair glow scrub. You'll be learning how to make whitening black soap. Then you'll be learning how to make repair black soap. You'll be learning how to make whitening glow face cream. So this particular last one is a repair cream. Of course, you will also be getting some bonus recipe from me. I'll be sending in about 5 extra recipe. So please, if you are interested, DM me. I'll leave my number on the screen, And if there's any question you want to ask regarding this training, please do ask. Call me, DM me, I'll definitely get back to you. So now let's move on to the main reason why we are here. So in this particular video, I'm sorry I've taken you guys time, I'm so sorry about that, my apologies. So in this particular recipe, this recipe is a whitening base cream. Okay, so I'll be calling out the ingredients for you guys and also the process on how you can formulate this base cream. And so I'll be calling this out in percentage. For those of you that don't know how to convert percentage into gram, leave a comment on the comment section. I will the process on how to convert your percentage into gram. You'll be needing sunflower oil 20%. You'll be needing emulsifier was 6%. You'll be needing stearic acid 4%. You'll be needing whitening glycerin 2%. You'll be needing Jama Plus preservative 1%. You can use any preservative of your choice. Then you'll be needing allantoin powder 2%. You'll be needing niacinamide 5%. You'll be needing salicylic acid 2%. You'll be needing glang essential oil 1%. You'll be needing glycolic acid 3%. And then you will be needing vitamin E oil 2%. And then you will be needing xanthan gum 0.5%. You'll be needing shea butter 6%. So this is how to make this base cream. So step 1, measure out your emulsifier was shea butter, carrier oils, and your stearic acid into a beaker and set aside. Step 2, measure out your purified water or hydrosol into another beaker. Okay, so this is your water phase and your oil phase. Step 3, place your beaker into a double boiler method and double boil until the temperature is around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Step 4, divide your double boil water and set aside. Step 5, pour your water into your oil and stick blend and set aside. Step 6, use the water you set aside to dissolve your niacinamide and allantoin until it properly dissolved. Step 7, measure out your glycolic acid solution and add in your salicylic acid and double boil until it dissolves. Step 8, add in your niacinamide mix and salicylic into your base and stick blend. At this point, it should be getting into trace or to trace or whatever, so it should be getting thicker. English is not my friend, so I'm sorry about that. So when you start noticing the trace, mix your glycerin and xanthan gum together. Make sure you stir properly. So you cannot just add in your xanthan gum into your water solution. It will add lumps. So you need to use your glycerin to dissolve your xanthan gum. Step 9, add the remaining of your ingredients. Your vitamin E, your essential oil, your preservative. Okay, so that's what I mean by the remaining of your ingredients. Add it into your base cream and stick blend. So at this point, when adding your remaining ingredients, make sure that your base cream is not hot. Okay, make sure that it has cooled down before adding this remaining ingredients and stick blend. So this is how to make your whitening base cream. Note that this particular base cream can be used just the way it is. There's niacinamide, there's salicylic acid, and there is what's the other active we have in there? Allantoin powder. So this comes to the promising aspect of it all. Everything. These are the few things that you need to add into this base cream to make it super effective. So you're going to be needing just 2 different serums. So we are not using too much serums in here. You'll be needing skim-free milk. So you'll be needing 2 cups of skim-free milk. You'll be needing light up serum, 2 cups of light up serum, 2 cups of skim-free milk serum. So add it into this mixture and stick blend. So this particular base cream, you can use it to make your caramel lotion. Even as it sits like this, caramel skin can actually use this. You don't need too much. So, and this can also work as a maintenance body lotion. So all you need to do is to use this base cream to formulate your your whitening lotion, your extra whitening lotion, your face cream. Yes, you can also use this base cream on your face. All right, so the hydrosol is super great. So I prefer using hydrosol instead of using distilled water. What I mean by hydrosols are your what's it called, your rose water, your cucumber water, you know, all those type of water. If I can remember, and I'll leave it on the screen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please do not forget the upgrade class. I love you guys, and I appreciate you all for always watching my videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.